Hey guys, what's up? Demir here. Amazing vacation in Colombia. We're just having a blast right now. But one thing that just happened right now that happens to me every single solitary time that I'm on vacation is something that I want to share with you today, which is having amazing ideas. See, one of the things that we do when we are under-resourced, when we're tired, and not just a little tired, but chronically tired, is that we under-resource ourselves. And that happens a little bit by little bit, just like a fraction every single day, and to the point where you're not really having good ideas anymore. You're not really in a place where you can actually feel like you can look at something, a problem, and solve it right away, or you can have an idea and it's just one of those ideas that just breaks you through on your business. And every single time you get into that place, you think, oh, I can't possibly do a vacation. I can never do vacation now. I don't deserve it. I need to wait until I have that breakthrough. But actually, taking some breaks, going on vacation, that's what's going to give you that breakthrough. And that's the irony. And it happened to me this time. We just came to an amazing spot in Colombia in the coffee country and just went on a tour. Just an incredible vacation, literally breathtaking. And on the first day, I got an amazing rest and I, probably had too much wine and I got to sleep late. But that second day was such a refreshing day. And I woke up and I saw this incredible view in the morning having a cup of coffee. And I literally, in that moment, just relaxed profoundly, just profoundly relaxed. And it was on the third day. And it's always for me on the third day when I have just an incredible idea. So first day is always partying, that pent up tense feeling that you have, just getting that out, right? I don't even fight it. I want to get it out. I want to let loose and get crazy, right? Second day, just relaxing, fully resourced. And I did this thing that I love to do, which is a 5x5, getting in a hot pool and then going to a cold pool 5 times. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. I'll tell you what, it changes your life. And then on the third day, after that life-changing sleep that I had on the second night, had an amazing idea. And it's an idea that I've been nerdling with and just trying to get right into my business, and I couldn't. I don't know what it was. It just was something I was stuck, and boom. Like just picking a berry off a vine. It was just ripe and ready to be picked. So I want to share that with you guys. It is so important to get resourced. In fact, in Lifehack Bootcamp, we call it extreme self-resourcing, which is if you want to be extremely productive, if you want to have extreme breakthroughs in your life and your business, then you actually need to rest extremely. You need to refresh yourself extremely. So I hope that's good news for your day. It is a productivity expert, yes, telling you you can be extremely resourced, and that taking a break and having incredible moments like this in your life isn't just good for your business, it is absolutely necessary.